patient. This is his list, his desire, he's written it down. So we've already gone through this in our consultation, but before surgery, so we're going to be doing work on his chin, a little bit posteriorly on the mandible, right malar bone, and also the nose. So nose, he wants a longer nose, he wants a sharp tip, narrow nose. He has a groove between eyelids. So this is what he's referring. We call that radix, the place where the nose starts. Then he wants the right flare is big. He wants some symmetry here, also to be narrow. And he says he doesn't want a big nose. Yeah, so we're not going to give him a big nose. We're going to give him a nose that belongs to a handsome guy. Alright, now with regards to facial asymmetry, it's subtle, but there's about 4 millimeters of issues with his malar bone and the maxilla. The chin is also a little bit twisted, if you can see. Apart from that, he doesn't like the projection too. So while we're going to correct that subtle asymmetry, we're also going to improve his proportions to what he's desirous of. And he wants us to take 5 millimeters off the chin. That's what we arrived at in the consultation. Okay, he also wants to go for braces, which I suggested he would do so after the surgery. And then the cheek bulge. So we pretty much taken care of all of his concerns. He had some concerns about his angle, which I'm not going to be addressing now because he wants that to be more out, which means I like to put in a peak implant or an augmentation. And currently with a lot of plans, we're not going to incorporate that today, but we're going to take care of the rest of the issues for him. So we're going to go through it once more, work on the chin, genium, up to the body, to get the asymmetry, to get the height a little bit less, 5 millimeters off, osteoplastic, genioplasty. If you look like this, he's not happy with this curve that's going up. So we're going to try and make it a straight line. It's not a V-line procedure, because I'm not going to be doing anything there. We're just going to get this a straight line. And also we're going to try and get this symmetrical. That's the thing. And here, the malar bone, the cheekbone is a slight asymmetry here, especially in the pictures. So we're going to take work from here to there, entire part, cheek contouring, sculpting, to get both sides more symmetrical. So you can say something, whatever you want. How you met in the consultation?
Okay, actually,
Tamil
okay. எனக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ப்ரொசீஜர் அதுவும் கன்னியாகுமரி டிஸ்ட்ரிக்டில் நல்ல ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் அப்படின்னு தெரில. ஆக்சுவலி நான் காட் ஃபார் மச் ரெஃபரன்சஸ் யூடியூப் இன் கூகுள் எல்லாமே போய்ட்டு அப்புறம் ரிவ்யூஸும் பார்த்துருந்தேன், பேஷண்ட்ஸோட ரிவ்யூஸ் எல்லாம் பார்த்து ஃபைனலி ஐ கன்க்ளூடட் ரிச்சர்ட்சன்ஸ் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ஸ் வரணும் அப்படின்னு. அப்புறம் எனக்கு இங்கே ஆக்சுவலி நான் இங்கே இல்லை, நான் வெளிநாட்டில் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். எப்படியாச்சும் ஒரு 1 month கேப்லேயே இங்கே வந்து பண்ணணும்னா டாக்டர் அங்கேருந்தே கன்சல்ட் பண்ணியிருந்தேன், மெசேஜ் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க நம்பரில். அவங்க டீட்டெயில்ஸ் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க. பட் இங்கே வந்த பிறகு திரும்ப கன்சல்ட் பண்ணி ஸ்கேன் பண்ண பிறகு தான் என்னுடைய ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் என்னன்னு எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் டீட்டெயிலாக தெரிஞ்சிச்சு. தெரிஞ்சதுக்கப்புறம் எந்த மாதிரி ப்ரொசீஜர் போகலாம், எந்த மாதிரி எனக்கு சூட் ஆகும் என்னுடைய ஃபேஸு, எந்த மாதிரி சூட் ஆகாது, அந்த மாதிரி எனக்கு கிளியர் கிளாரிட்டி கிடச்சதுக்கப்புறம் ஐ எம் கோயிங் ஃபார் த ப்ரொசீஜர் டுடே. ஸோ ஹோப்ஃபுல்லி I will come with a good review video again with you. Thank you.
Yeah, so let me just quickly explain that in English. He was like, he works abroad, so he's contacted us a few months ago. We had the primary consultation. He's been to many other surgeons, he's been to many other places. He works in the Middle East. But eventually he decided to come here. He says that because he's happy with the results of the other patients and also because of the plan that we've discussed with him. And he says he's also going to be happy to give the video later on. Yeah. Which is here. You can see the improvement. The tip was broad, the tip was roundish, the nose was short, radix was not there, it was really short and absent. Giving him a nice projection, good tip angle, and we made the nose more proportional to his face. Okay. So this is day 7 after we've done, well, it's not exactly a facial asymmetry surgery alone, but we've done surgery in multiple bones of his face to correct asymmetry and to augment his appearance and improve the proportions, along with the nose job. That's where you see the split of the nose. We'll explain one by one, just peeling this off, which is voted as one of the most painful procedures at the place. And I think patient's reactions, you can surely guess that what I'm saying is absolutely right. Yeah, this is actually soap now, and so, well, we still haven't found an easier way to remove this. The only easier way is not to apply this in the first place, but that's not a good idea because this really does a great job in the initial phase of healing. Okay, we're almost done now. This is just the last bit. Okay, one more shot and we're done. Okay, sorry about that, but this is done. Okay, open your mouth. There's still some swelling, you can see from the bony work. It's just not even 7 days. But we've done work on his chin. He had a very large chin. We're going to go through that. This is not going to hurt so much, especially after you just go through pain that's worse. So, okay, so you can hold this. And those we have it before. That's out. So, you can show that. We keep it a little down. Now you can see. You can see. But so that others also can see. Sorry? Yeah. How does it look now? So see the tip from the earlier tip. I think your tip looks very beautiful. You agree? And then see the projection. Nice dorsum. We're going to show the side views. It's narrowed down. And we're going to show them also about the chin. So the face was a bit too long and the chin was a little bit deviated. Now it's much more in proportion. There's a lot of swelling, okay? But this is going to, because we also did work here, but that swelling will also come down. So what we've done is cheek contouring, angle osteoplasty, genioplasty with jaw sculpting, more work on this side, more swelling there, and then a nose job. So pretty much a face makeover, subtle improvements, not like a great improvement because you don't need that. Okay, so now we're going to show the side view. Can you look at that side? And see, this is the swelling. That's going to go down. It's going to go down. Look at the nose. So you can see the improvement. This was going up. Now the angle is more better. So by de-rotating the nose, we've increased the length of the nose. So that's going to be more proportional for your face. And you can look this side also. Probably it's going to be less swelling on this side. So, right? Okay. Now, so the work, you see, has been done right from there. This is all swelling. Because we've done work on the radix, there's some swelling there. And this is just some bruising that will heal up. These stitches, we're going to get them off. That's the knot from the osteotomy. I've used a different color stitch there, so it's not that visible. And it's all going to go down like this. You're going to have a nice tip. His nose. This will take some time. More than the swelling from the nose to go down. And that's because we've done a lot of work on the bone, and probably we'll expect 6 weeks or something once all of that heals. So little bit diet control because surgery both the jaws kind of malar bones. You wouldn't want to eat a lot of hard food. Sleep if you have on the straight or left side, right side no. Take care of the nose. We give you some ointments and tablets, take them. These switches will go off today.
Okay.
And if possible, I'll see you back again because you don't live very far away.
And what about GG Plus for me? Actually, there is no screws on the back.
Yeah, we will be taking a scan and going through everything also because we wait for the splits to be removed before we take the repeat scan for more clarity on the
Actually,
scan.
we did just
I know, but it's done before, so I checked that. We'll do it again when you come for review. Remind me.
okay.
Because subtle things, this thing obstructs. Even this comes on the scan.
Yeah.
The tape. I'll show you that. It'll be like a covering thing.
Okay.
So we can take another one after a few days. So when you come back after a week or two, before you go abroad, come back.
Okay. So asymmetry, how much it worked out actually?
It's worked out pretty well. I think you should be 95% symmetrical or more
Okay.
at the end of let's say 3 to 4 months.
So much.
Yeah. And those, I think you should be 100% satisfied because no nasal asymmetry that you had was very minimal.
Yeah.
It was not a major asymmetry.
I had only mild here.
That was mild. We basically augmented the nose, improved the whole nose,
Yeah.
not only corrected this thing.
Yeah, I'm happy.
You're happy? So thank you. That makes me also happy. I know it's hard to smile, poor guy.
Yeah.
Because it's all stitched up everywhere, outside, inside, bony work, and you're making a great effort to smile. But give it some good time of healing.
Okay.
And how severe was the pain here when you were there? Was
Actually, yeah, initially I was scared before the surgery.
we took rib also for you.
Yeah, but rib I didn't feel any pain actually.
Really? Awesome.
Yeah, really.
No pain from the rib.
Only 2 days when I hold here, I had a mild actually.
Mild, okay.
Only that's it. After
So
that,
where was your main discomfort?
my main discomfort was from the throat.
Throat.
I had, only the throat I had.
So the reason with the throat pain is because of the length of anesthesia. So when we are doing major procedure, what tends to happen is we give 5 hours anesthesia or sometimes 4 hours, 4.5 hours anesthesia. And the longer the anesthesia, the longer the tube is inside. So the anesthesia will just put a tube through which the gas is given, because of which the patient sleep or just go into deep sleep with anesthesia, general anesthesia. So that's the reason why some of them do have some pain in the throat. So not all of them again. There are a lot of patients, even after 4 to 5 hour surgery, say rib pains more or some doesn't pain much. So anyway, on a grade of 1 to 10, what was your pain score?
I can frankly speak only 2 or 3.
2 or 3? That's all. That's superb. So thank you.
Really, because this much big procedure.
Big procedure.
Big
That is there.
cut, bone cuts, everything.
Yes.
So all apart from all this, I got only 2 or 3.
And you can
And I
trust
ran-
him
I
because
ran-
he's also in the medical field.
Yeah.
So, right. So that's nice. That's because of the pain medications. That's because of the way the surgery is done. That's because of these compressive
Yeah.
bandages also to a
Yes.
certain extent.
I
When
think
you remove it's a problem. But then immediately after surgery, just keeps everything together. The bone, the muscles, the skin all compact. So initial healing, swelling, it really works.
Actually, I felt because of the pressure, some discomfort because of the plasters, maybe I got a little pain.
But not much.
But not much. It's
That's
very
good to hear.
much
That's very,
tolerable.
very, very glad to know. So continue with all the medication that we give and come on over after 2 weeks or something before you go.
Okay.
All right. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Hey, yeah, you do.